A.O. Smith 40 gallon from 2016. Turn the gas off. Open the pressure relief. Test it. Wall 20 volt impact wrench. Link in the description below. So 27mm 1/1/16. So we've removed the gasket that sits around there so that we can get dual access. Pull the rod. 10 years. It definitely looks a little bit different than the new one. The part numbers and the link in the description below. And again, we could have drained a little bit more water from the top. We'll wipe it down. And always hand thread things and use a torque wrench. Relight the pilot light. Go into pilot position. Make sure the gas is on. And press in. And you hear this. And wait for the status light to blink. Blinked. We'll go to hot. And there we go. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.